Greetings, thanks for joining me. My neighbors are still doing construction, so I apologize for all the background noise. They're sawing, hammering, I don't know what they're doing, but they're doing their job, they're working, and we just have to tolerate the noise. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Okay, good. Woo! Thank you. My package tosser is sick today. You're not gonna hear much out of her because she says that her throat is hurting. We love autumn. Our sinuses, not so much. So these are sleep shorts. Oh, and this is, in case anybody needs to know for sizing, this is a size small. At 5'8", size small. I got this to sleep in, just a little sleep tank top. And look at how pretty it is. And I'm so glad that I grabbed it because now it's sold out. Washed satin cami top, dusty pink. Oh, panties, okay. Now we're getting to the really good stuff. Does a girl ever have enough panties? I mean, honestly, do we? These are the side tie hipster in the color Canyon Rose. Oh, I think this is the same thing twice. I think this is also Canyon Rose.
So you just want to throw it to me?
Yeah, that's a good idea. Here, babe. Oh, that was a bad throw, my bad. The tape stuck to my finger, so it released late, and I took out a pumpkin. And how pretty is that pink color? Oh, good toss! Wow. Oh, more of the same panties. Oh, and new panties. It's the same panties all over again. Ta-da! Oh, and Canyon Rose ×2. So this matches my tank top, and these are the Wild Heart print thong panties. Okay, so let's open up these bad boys. Pretty, huh? And the back. See the lace detail in the back? My tank top and my little panties. I got a matching set. And then this is just more of the same thing. I've come to terms with the fact that I cannot walk into a Victoria's Secret without walking out with something new. Evening blush, velvet and lace, hip hugger panty, velvet with sparkles in the front and a lace party in the back. And what a pretty color. So I saw this color. Unfortunately, I didn't have my new sleep tank top, the floral sleep tank top. I didn't have it with me. And they didn't have it in the store. So I thought, I'm gonna take a chance because this looks like the same base color as that tank top. I got it home and found that it matches my new sleep camisole perfectly. Evening blush, floral lace, hipster thong panty. Remember my cute little sleep shorts? Rose luster sleep shorts. Rose luster just for frills. And look at how cute the back is. It's very frilly and girly. This video should have been up last week, but there was a delay by the shipper due to inclement weather somewhere. Not here in sunny Southern California. We don't have weather here, we just have sunshine. I have finally received everything that I was waiting for. Can you toss me a package, please? Oh, perfect, thank you. It's abbreviated on my packing slip, so I'm not sure. I think it's white pieced flower cami. I'm not sure how I'm gonna feel about this satin fabric. It feels, I'm not sure. It kind of feels soft, but I don't know if it's gonna be scratchy once it's on. So I am gonna try this on and I will let you know. I got this in a small. It looks a little bit big. I maybe should have gone extra small. Ooh, this is the Summer Terry Crew sweatshirt in pearl gray. Oh, this I did get in an extra small. Extra small was the only thing left. And it's super soft. I like the fabric. I'm just not sure about the fit. Check those out. Those look snuggly. I think the size small will be fine. I don't think I needed an extra small in this. I think small, so they're nice and comfy, cozy, not too tight. Let's check out the navy. Size small. I think the small will work. The sheer pink, I got those specifically to sleep in, but these, I think I can rock these daytime, you know, taking my kid to school, picking her up, going to the grocery store, the post office. I think I can totally rock these. Let's check out the panties. Oh, Wild Heart Hip Thong Circle Coconut White is what it says on my packing slip. I don't usually wear a medium in the panties, but the review said that this ran really small, so I got a medium. Close-up of the Wild Heart Hipster Thong Circle Panty in Coconut White. Close-up of the Wild Heart LNS Hipster Thong Panty. And the back. So I think the stripes are really cute. It's kind of just a fun little detail instead of having all your panties in solid lace. Speaking of all lace, the Wild Heart Hipster Thong, very pretty, solid lace, and just plain beautiful. DA Thong Wild Heart is the description on my packing list. Canyon Rose. I was really excited about this color. Beautiful. And there's a close-up of the back. Exact same panty in Rose Luster. Such a pretty pink. Wild Heart Hipster Thong in Kier. So elegant. DA Wild Heart Hipster Thong in Rose Luster. The lace detail, so beautiful. Here's a close-up of the wash satin cami top. Now this satin feels so much softer than that white pieced floral satin top. That one felt a little more rough. The difference is this one's washed. Sugar Rose. There's the back. And then let's not forget the Sugar Rose panties. These feel a little rough and scratchy. I have a feeling these are gonna go back. I just finished trying everything on and I'm gonna show you what ended up being a keeper for my wardrobe and what is going back. It might fit a little bit better in an extra small, but I don't think I'm gonna like it in an extra small either. This is super boxy. It was not flattering at all. Remember, I got this one in a small. An extra small would have been too small, so I'm glad I went with a small. It fits perfectly. Which then brings me to the matching panties. These are going back. Navy and sheer pink in these snuggly wuggly sweatpants, size small. They're a little bit loose and a little bit baggy, but I like it like that. Even my super wide linebacker shoulders fit into this extra small. The shoulders on this are really boxy, so an extra small fit perfectly. Let's talk about all the coconut white panties. Okay, so I put them in order of comfort. This one, these are quite possibly one of the most comfortable pairs of panties I have ever tried on. Next is these with the circles. Remember, all the reviews said to size up, and I got a medium. The medium fits great. They're not quite as comfortable as that first pair, but these two are quite comfortable. And then this one with the stripes, unfortunately, I just didn't like the way that these looked quite as much as the solid lace. I thought I would like the stripes. I have a pair of these with the stripes, but in different colors, and I think I like it with the color better. That same pair of super comfortable, the first coconut white that I just showed you in Kier, so comfy, so pretty. Keepers, size small. Let's talk about the Rose Luster panties. So both in a size small, they both fit perfectly. Loved both of them. This is so soft, so beautiful. Love this cut. These are great. So I'm glad I have two of these. And then I have the Rose Luster panties to go with this cami also. Let's talk about the Canyon Rose panties. I chose this color specifically to go with the sleep tank top from 2017. So if anyone out there was lucky enough to grab one of these little sleep camis last year, this Canyon Rose, it's a really great color match. That's it for the Victoria's Secret haul, autumn 2018. Thanks so much for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Take care. Bye. Enjoy autumn. Hey you. Hey you. Hey sick kid. You've got an arm. I'm afraid of you. Don't hurt me, please. Please don't hurt the mama. Oh my goodness. Oh, I love my pumpkin pillows. Autumn's here. Yay. Bye. And bye from the sick kid too.